Before we begin this video, I would like to let you know guys that this video is specifically for educational purpose and please make any sort of investments at your own risk. Thank you. One of the popularly understood definitions of investment is that you buy an asset class, then sell it at a higher price for profits. In a nation like India, where financial literacy has started to make its way to become mainstream, being unaware about it feels like a crime. So, investing or not, being aware about it is surely important. Some simple reasons for investment would be that you invest your money for fighting inflation or to grow your wealth even more. There are many forms of asset classes which exist today. And as we progress towards modernization with an insta speed, there are some asset classes which are being newly recognized. And to name some commonly recognized and newly recognized asset classes would be gold, real estate, FDs, bonds, equities, NFTs, and cryptos. There are many ways in which these asset classes differ from each other. To point out one would be the risk factor. Mainly the price fluctuation or the rate at which the asset classes fluctuate their prices is different from each other. Popularly, low risk asset classes would be FDs, gold, real estate, bonds. And high risk asset classes would be equities, NFTs, and cryptos. One simple keynote to remember over here is would be that lower the risk, lower the returns, and higher the risk, higher the returns. Before learning any more about investing, you should know who you are as an investor. A short-term investor or a long-term investor. Short-term investing is usually for the period of 1 year or less than that, and long-term investing is usually for more than 1 year or several years, so that they could enjoy the benefits of compounding. And this holding period could differ for certain asset classes. For example, 24 months or less than that is considered short-term investing for real estate, and 36 months or less than that is considered short-term investing for gold. For an investor, besides holding period, capital position, and set target of profits are two significant key factors to understand. Capital position, as in how much money or funds the investor has got. पैसा कितना है पैसा? And set target of profits would be what sort of range or what specific profit the investor has in mind. A very important aspect of investing is patience and discipline. It holds true in all forms of asset classes or investing, but is very sincere when it comes to risky asset classes like NFTs, equities, and cryptos. When respective asset classes like cryptos, NFTs, and equities reach the specific set of target, one should book the profits right there and then, and should not wait for the profits to grow even more and be greedy about it no matter the circumstances. Simply put, keep up the discipline and stick to the plan. The safest strategy of investing is that a safe and good investor always keeps his investment portfolio diversified. For example, some in cash, gold, FDs, and all the other asset classes which we discussed before. One of the greatest mantras which we have learned is that an investor should not invest more than 10% of the total capital which he holds in risky asset classes like equities, NFTs, and cryptos. For due to any global or economic concerns, the markets perform bad and you need the money at that time. So you should not be totally dependent on the money which you have invested in risky assets.
For example, let's say 100 rupees is your total capital. So do not invest more than 10 rupees in risky assets. I hope you